What's up mga kokok? Hello guys! Welcome again to my channel, Night TV, your forever channel! Today's video guys, we're going to react once again to the young talented little boy in Indonesia, Alwiansya. Because the last time I reacted on his video, someone requested me to do another reaction, and she is Sophie. I guess she is also an Indonesian, and Miss Sophie, shout out to you and thank you for requesting this. And she requested me to do a reaction on Alwiansya's rendition of Berbeza Kasta. Did I pronounce it right? Well, I'm excited to do this, and I guess you too are excited. So, without further ado, let's do it right away. Okay. Whoa. Oh yeah.
Berakhir sampai di sini.
Wait, what is this? Is this a battle? Is that a battle? I guess so. It's battle. Okay, let's continue.
Cinta yang dulu kita bina kini telah layu di dalam.
Wait. I knew this. This is the old radio. The old radio, right? Oh, that's so antique. So old. So let's continue, guys.
Sudahlah, cukuplah sampai di sini.
What? So funny.
Percuma saja.
That's the true mic.
Kita sudah tak sealuan lagi. Perbezaan kasta yang jauh, aku tahu siapalah diriku. Terlalu dalam jurang pemisah, kasih sudah berakhir di sini saja. Di depan orang tuamu kau malukan diriku. Kau bandingkan aku dengan dirinya. Kau hina diriku, kau sebut tentang harta. Kasihku sedarku tiada berpunya. Jikalau kau memang tak lagi cinta, aku kan pergi walau terluka.
I love it.
Haruskah berakhir sampai di sini. Cinta yang dulu kita bina kini telah layu di dalam hati. Sudahlah, cukuplah sampai di sini. Percuma saja berkasih, kita sudah tak sealuan lagi. Perbezaan kasta yang jauh, aku tahu siapalah diriku.
I love the tone.
Terlalu dalam jurang pemisah, kasih sudah berakhir di sini saja.
Let's dance. Go. Go, young boy. Go, young. Oh, there's a verse behind him. Why? Why they cry?
Kasihku sedar ku tiada berpunya. Jikalau kau memang tak lagi cinta, aku kan pergi walau terluka. Di depan orang tuamu kau malukan diriku. Kau bandingkan aku dengan dirinya.
Why they cry? Why?
Kau sebut tentang harta, kasihku sedar ku tiada berpunya. Jikalau kau memang tak lagi cinta, aku kan pergi walau terluka. Jikalau kau memang tak lagi cinta, aku kan pergi walau terluka.
Alright. I don't know. I don't know what's the role of the tree lady behind him. Why they cry? I don't know the meaning of the song. Let me know. Let me know what's the role of the tree lady behind him crying. Well, I enjoy everything. I enjoy the voice, of course, of Alwiansha, no doubt. I enjoy the music video. It's quite funny and I enjoyed it. It's entertaining. And the tree lady behind him, it's entertaining. I don't know the meaning of the song, but I keep smiling here. I feel the joy. I love it. And I would like to thank the owner of this video, Music Proactive. If you want to watch their video, I include their link on my description below. Just subscribe them and watch their video, guys. If you like it and if you want to watch their other videos. And thank you, Miss Sophie for requesting me this. I enjoyed it truly. And for you guys, comment below if you want me to react to his another video. And please subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again to my next reaction. And bye. I love you. Mwah.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning, be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?